Hi, this is the Poco F5 Pro and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So we should first launch the Settings app, then tap to Connection and Sharing and click to NFC section. So just to activate NFC option, we should tap once on the switcher. To turn it off, we should click by the same way on the switcher and tap to turn off. When the NFC is activated, you could switch the payment method to use the activated turn off the NFC option in Don't Disturb mode and also to restore NFC functionality. Also, we get one more way how we could activate or turn off this option. Just first open the control panel and then find NFC icon. Just to activate NFC or to turn it off, we should use this icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.